Alright guys, this is what we're exploding in the microwave. It is a sparkler, wrapped like some sparklers wrapped around a deodorant can. So we'll see if we can do it. Sorry?
Mostly empty deodorant can.
Yeah, about 3/4 of the way empty. Deodorant. Alright, go!
Where'd you set up the
Like on the side.
I think we should stop it. Did you put anything under it to stop it from arcing?
No.
We need to stop it from earthing out to the body of it.
Whoa! Yes! Oh, that was so on camera! That was so on camera! That was freaking awesome!
Nice. Give us a look.
That's nuts. I feel like I'm in a sketchy place right here. Whoa!